Hi everyone, hello, and welcome you all to the first chapter of Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So here in the first chapter, I'll be talking about what this application is and how you can start working on your video and how you can edit your own video in a different way, how it is kind of different from any other video editing software which are available in the market. And this is quite user friendly, as I have already told in the class also, okay? And how you can basically start off, how you can download, how you can start creating a new project in Filmora. So we'll be talking about all these things in this lesson that you guys get used to or you guys get a knowledge of what you're working on with and what you're basically learning. Okay, so let's not waste time and let's get started with the first chapter of this Wondershare Filmora tutorial. Hey guys, so here we're starting on with the first chapter of our Wondershare Filmora. So basically, Filmora is a video editing software, and as you guys can see, I am in the home page of Filmora, from where I can see a preview which they're showing in their home page at the beginning. So basically, I know that there are different type of video editing software. But why does Filmora is different from the other one? First off, according to my experience, I'm telling you guys that Filmora is quite user friendly and the features which are there can be easily used. And there are also AI features that with AI you can video edit. Okay. Like you can just create some basic things in video editing, which will just enhance your video quality. Okay. So that is there. And after that, I'll be showing you guys how you can install this particular application, how you can use it in your PC or laptop, whether you're using a Windows one or a Mac. You guys can use this particular application in both of those. So Filmora is basically providing you with a free version, and also they do have a premium version which is paid. Okay, so most of the software they do provide this feature, like first they will give you the free version, it's just for basics. But in Filmora, the free version also offers you a lot of features, like you can actually work there in this particular application, and you do have many features in the free version as well. Okay, and in the paid version, well, you do have a lot many more. So we'll see that how you can download and how you can end up in this page. So okay, let me show you guys from the beginning how I ended up here in this particular page. So I'll just create a new tab, and from there I will just search Filmora. Okay, so as you guys can see, once I search Filmora on my Chrome, here you can see the first option I do have Wondershare Filmora. So Wondershare is the company uh, who created Filmora. So here you guys can see I came here, and once I click on this particular option on top, I will end up in that same home page. So this is how you can get to Filmora. And now you guys can see I do have the free download option. And if I want to buy this, like the premium version, as I've already told you, I can buy this one as well. And just below the free download one, here is the system requirement. Okay, so this version is for Windows 11 and below. Okay, so from here, if your laptop is Windows 11 or below right now, you can download this particular one. Or this website or this site actually updates day to day. Okay, suppose now I'm making these videos, so now they're showing that Windows 11 and below for free download. After a few days, you might see when a new version of Filmora comes. There they can say like Windows 12 and below. So it depends basically. So let me see the pricing of the paid version. Okay, so here you can see if you are individual and using this, here the monthly plan is almost $20 a month. Okay, but here what are the features that you'll get? Okay, you'll get 5 million plus stock media items. I'll be telling you guys what is stock media, like basically from where you can download many free videos like premium videos. Paid ones you'll be able to use it for free, and 100 plus advanced editing features. Okay, so different effects and plugins, and also you'll get 1 GB of Filmora cloud storage. Okay, 30 minutes of speech to text one, and 5,000 characters of text to speech. And same here, as you can see. But why this is more? Because this is a yearly package, and this one, which is $80, this is just a one-time payment which you need to do. And you can enjoy Filmora updates throughout. Okay, so if you are using this particular thing for a team or your business, here you can get this one, like which is around $156, like 55.88 cents. And after that, here if you're using this for an education purpose, so for students, they do have some discounts here. As you can see here, they do have $20 discount. And here as well, they do have a $20 discount. Uh, Here you can see a $10 discount. Whether the monthly pack for an individual it's around $30. Here it's 19.99 cents. Okay. So, and if you want to buy it in a bundle, like you want to buy other products of Wondershare, you can come here and you can get those for yourself. Okay, so this is the premium or the paid version of Filmora, but we are not going to use the paid version. Let me go back again to the home page. So I'll be showing you guys how you can download it for free. So I clicked here, and here you guys can see they did give me the step also how I can basically set up. So for that, first I need to open the Filmora setup option, and here you can see they already downloaded the setup thing from here. So I can just set up Filmora from here, and after that I need to click on install anyway, and once I do that, it will be installed in my system. So let me just click on this one, and I'll just click on yes, and here you will be able to see that I will click on install, and it will take some time for me to install this particular application. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood what this application is all about, how you can download, and why it is different from any other video editing software. And once you start working in this particular application, you guys will understand, and once you use two or three video editing software, you guys will be able to know the difference between those and how user friendly this Filmora application is. Okay, so you can use this in your laptop, PC, or even your phone, tabs. Okay, so you can do all that, and this is quite easy to use. We'll shortly get into the application, and I'll be showing you guys how to start on. If you're new to video editing, no problem. This course is quite perfect for you. I'll be starting from the very beginning or from an beginner level, and I'll also be showing you guys till the advanced level. So once you finish this course or this tutorial, you guys will be able to video edit your own videos, and also I'll be telling you guys how to adjust audio, effect, transitions, and lot many other things. I'll also give you guys some of the tips and tricks of how to work on video editing in this application. So I'm just waiting for it to install, that we can just start on with our class. Well, guys, I have installed that Filmora application here in my PC right now. And here you can see once I open that application, this type of screen just popped out. So here you can see different options. So I'll be explaining you guys what are these different options here. So first one, here you can see this blue color box. So from here, basically you can create a new project. Okay, so if I click on this, I will be able to create a new project. So this is the workspace and the interface. Okay, and here as I'm entering here for the first time, Filmora is sending me some of their messages, which I can also check later. Okay, so from here, this is the message center. So from where you can check all your messages regarding any upgradation or any offers or anything as such. Okay, so this is the main workplace where we'll be working. But before that, let me just delete this one and let me explain to you guys about this thing over here or this panel. Okay, so here as you can see, this is the project, and from here you can basically open any project which you have saved before. And if you have any kind of project, you can actually work from here. And underneath this one here, you will have all your recent projects. So using this grid module, you can check all these projects. You can search. As I have just installed this application, I don't have any project now, but once I start on creating, I'll have those projects here. And this is the cloud project section where you can just log in through your email and you can check your cloud media. And after that, this one is the creator hub. Okay. Creator hub means that from here you will get so many of the work done using this application. So from here, there are many content creators who have used this application and they have shared their work, also their experience out here. So here in this creator option, you can see the top creators of Filmora. And after that, here you can see the activity and few of the tutorials also you'll get to see from here. Okay, these are few tutorials which you can actually refer to make your work look better. So this is that. And here underneath the new project option, I do have the AI options. Okay. So all these are the AI options. So from here, you can make an avatar, you can do automate syncing, you can also detect the silence and auto reframing, instant mode, screen recorder, AI copywriting, instant cutter. So all these are just AI features. So you can use all these and these are pretty good when you use. So if you just need to upload a video quite soon and you don't want to do video editing manually, just want to do something in short that it will enhance the quality of your video, then obviously I'll recommend you guys to use this particular thing, which is the AI features in Filmora. So hope you guys have understood till this much, and let me show you guys about the aspect ratio. So here, this is the screen size, and just beside that, you can see the preview of how your skin will appear. So here you can see this is the vertical way. This is the cinematographic one. If you're making any business project, you can do it from here. This is the standard size portrait or for Instagram. Okay. So if I take a widespread, okay, so I'll show you guys the difference between a widespread and a portrait. So I have clicked there, create a new project now. And now I'll come to stock media. So I'll be explaining you guys in the next class how you can use this stock media and everything. Suppose I want to take one video from here, so I can click on download. So this is downloading in the maximum resolution. And here I do have the preview panel from where I can preview my work. And this is the timeline. I'll be telling you guys about this panel in brief in our next class. Okay, so let me just show you guys the difference with the same video that you guys can understand the difference between a portrait and a widespread mode. So now I have this here, and what I'm going to do is I will just take my video here and I will keep this here. So this is the 16 into 9, which is the widespread or the default mode. And now if I go back, I do want to save this one. And from here now I'll go to this portrait mode. Or for Instagram, I can choose this one if you're making any kind of Instagram shorts or YouTube shorts. Okay, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. Okay, you guys can use those. And if you're using it for something professional, like you're making a short film or a short video, which you want to upload in any social media or to your client, you can use the cinematographic mode as well. And I'll always recommend the widespread or the default one. So now I have selected this portrait mode. Now let me create a new project here. Okay. And the same way, go to your stock media. And from stock media, select this one, drag this one down here in your video panel. So this is how it will look when you take a portrait mode. So this is basically for phones. Basically, if you're making any YouTube shorts or Instagram reels, you can basically use this one. So I hope you guys have understood this class of what Wondershare Filmora is, what all it have to offer us, and how we can start on, how you can download the homepage. You have understood what all options do they offer us here. Okay, so in next class, I'll be explaining you guys about the workspace and the interface and how you can start working on this application. So till then, take care and goodbye everyone.